Chapter 1. Living and non-living things. Giant likes gardening. He always grows new plants in the garden and takes care of them. But his sister Neha always likes to play with her doll. Giant puts a pea seed in soil. He waters the seed and takes care of it. After a few days, seed becomes a small plant. A plant needs air, water and sunlight to grow. Small plant has grown bigger. It has many leaves and flowers. Flowers have become fruits. Pea pod grew on the plant. There are many seeds inside the pea pod. When we put these seeds in the ground, then new plants grow again. Neha loves her doll very much. She always plays with it. Neha changes dress of her doll every day. The doll does not need air, water or sunlight. Neha keeps the doll safely inside the cupboard. It does not breathe. The doll remains of the same size. It does not grow bigger. The doll does not respond to any change around it. Neha is curious to see changes in Giant's plant but no change in her doll. Why does it happen? Answer these. Is Neha's doll living or non-living? Is Giant's pea plant living or non-living? Living things. Living things breathe. Living things breathe in air. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Living things cannot live without breathing. We breathe through our nose. We have lungs to breathe. Plants breathe through small holes present in their leaves. We cannot see these holes with our naked eyes. Some animals like dog, cow, cat etc. breathe through their nose. Some insects like cockroaches have air holes in their body to breathe, while earthworms breathe through their skin. Fishes breathe through gills. Man with lungs. Fish gills. Cockroach air holes. Earthworm skin. Living things move. Living things move in search of food and shelter to escape from danger and to find a place to rest. Animals like ox, cow, horse, camel, dog, deer etc. walk. Birds fly in the air. Fishes swim in water. Snake crawls on the land. Plants can only move some of their parts. For example, leaves of touch-me-not plant close when we touch them. The sunflower always turns towards the sunlight. Human beings walk. Plants always grow towards the sunlight. Touch-me-not plant. Sunflower facing sunlight. Answer these. Why do people move from one place to another? Living things need food and water. Living things need food and water to live. Food gives energy and helps them to grow. Some animals eat plants while some eat meat of other animals. Plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Plants get water from the soil. Human beings eat plants, fruits and seeds etc. Some humans eat meat of other animals. Human beings and animals drink water. Human beings cook their food to make it soft and tasty. Plant. Energy. Carbon dioxide. Glucose is formed. Oxygen is released. A boy eating apple. A giraffe eating leaves. Living things grow. Animals and plants grow. A seedling becomes a tree. Seedling. Plant. Tree. A baby grows into an adult. Baby. Boy. Adult. A puppy grows into a dog. Living things feel. Living things feel and respond to the changes around them. We laugh when we are happy. Sometimes we also feel sad or angry. We feel pain when we get hurt. Like us, animals also feel happy, sad, safe or scared. A dog barks at any stranger. Animals become restless when they are sick. Plants grow towards the sunlight. Living things reproduce. Reproduce means to produce young ones of the same kind. Animals reproduce either laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Animals like cows give birth to calves. Human beings give birth to babies. A cat gives birth to kittens. Birds such as hen and duck lay eggs. Young chicks hatch out of eggs. Human beings give birth to babies. A cow and a calf. A woman and a baby. A hen with its chicks. A cat and a kitten. Plants have seeds in their fruits. In the presence of air, water and sunlight, each seed again grows into a new plant. A new rose plant can grow from its stems. A new plant can grow from seed. Non-living things. There are mainly two kinds of non-living things. 1. Man-made things. 2. Natural things. Things which are made by human beings are called man-made things. Chair, books, table, car, airplane, ship, train, building etc. are man-made things. Chair, table, book, building. Natural things are given by nature. Stones, soil, mountains, rivers, sun, moon, stars are natural things. Stones, rivers, soil, moon and stars. Non-living things do not grow, breathe, feel or reproduce. These do not move on their own. They do not need food and water. Name some other natural and man-made things. Man-made things. Natural things. Difference between living and non-living things. Living things. Non-living things. A. Living things breathe. A. Non-living things do not breathe. B. Living things move on their own. B. Non-living things cannot move on their own. C. Living things grow. C. Non-living things do not grow. D. Living things need food, air, water and sunlight to stay alive. D. Non-living things do not need food, air or water. E. Living things feel and respond to changes around them. E. Non-living things neither feel nor respond to changes around them. F. Living things reproduce. F. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Quick recap. Human beings, plants and animals are living things. Living things breathe, feel, reproduce, move, need food and water. Non-living things are either natural or man-made. Non-living things do not need food and water. They do not breathe, feel, reproduce or move on their own.